After my recipe of chocolate cookie cake, here I am with vanilla cookie cake, and the major difference is the type of flour. In this recipe, I am not going to use any maida and it's going to be 100% whole wheat flour, that is our Gehun ka aata. Let's get started. Preheat your kadhai or pan or pressure cooker with some salt and a stand. It's approximately half cup salt. You can reuse this salt n number of times for baking. Now in a bowl, take 3/4 cup wheat flour, that is Gehun ka aata, 7 tablespoon powdered sugar, half teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. So take half of your 1/4 teaspoon measure to measure 1/8. Very easy. Mix the dry ingredients and then add 3/4 teaspoon vanilla extract or essence. Now add 6 tablespoon melted butter. You can use ghee instead of butter. So compared to maida, the amount of sugar and the liquid ingredients, the fat you need in wheat is more because it has more fiber. Now add 2 tablespoon milk. So you can add 1 tablespoon mix and then add the other tablespoon. You might add a little more if you're finding it difficult to work with the dough. Remember guys, this is a wheat flour recipe. Do not skip vanilla essence, because if you don't add vanilla essence or extract in good quantity, the taste would not be that good. So I suggest that you use vanilla essence in good quantity. So I've divided the dough into 4 portions. I'm going to freeze this, regular fridge, for 10 minutes. Here I've got my pizza plate. So the measuring cup I had used to measure my butter. So I'm taking the leftover butter to grease the plate. Instead of a pizza plate, you can use any other plate which is heat resistant. Okay, so the dough is out of my fridge. Next step is to shape these. So I'm going to shape these into big rectangular blocks or big rectangular pieces. You can reduce the amount of wheat flour by 1 tablespoon and add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder to make this chocolate flavored. If you want to bake these in your OTG or convection, you can see the instructions on the screen. Make sure that you do not bake these a lot because we want a cookie cake which should be soft inside. So you can see the instructions now for kadhai or cooker. After 20 to 25 minutes, the middle is soft, the edges are done. The edges are slightly crispy. After these cookie cakes cool down, you can decorate these with some dark chocolate, milk chocolate or white chocolate. To know how to make these piping bags at home, you can check out my plastic hacks video on Home and Much More YouTube channel. You may put some sprinkles, any sprinkle of your choice, or you can skip the step. And our easy and tasty vanilla cookie cake using whole wheat flour are ready. Crispy on the sides and soft in the center. So yummy! Give this recipe a try and enjoy!